Hey, future coding masters, in just 100 seconds, I'm going to turbocharge your programming productivity with some game-changing tips. Ready? Let's code our way to efficiency. First, clarity is king. Understand your project requirements inside and out. No more coding in the dark. Plan before you program. A little blueprinting saves hours of head scratching. Got Git? Always use version control. It's like a time machine for your code. Write code as if it's a story. Clear, concise, and something your future self will thank you for. Document your genius. Comments and docs are your code's best friends. Refactor like a pro. Keep your code clean. Test, then rest. Bugs hate tests, so make plenty of them. Be a bug bounty hunter. Master your IDE's debugging tools and hunt those bugs down. Best practices are best for a reason. Follow them to write code that sings. Organize. A tidy codebase is a happy codebase. Shortcut to success with keyboard magic. Faster fingers, faster coding. Pomodoro your way to focus. Code, break, and repeat. Choose your coding weapon wisely. A good IDE is like a Swiss Army knife for coders. Stay curious. The tech world spins fast. Keep up. Peer reviews. Share, learn, improve. It's teamwork for your code. Make your workspace a coding sanctuary. Less clutter, more coding zen. Manage interruptions. Keep a to-do list to jump back into the matrix quickly. Automate the mundane. Snippets and generators are your silent warriors. Know your tools. Algorithms and data structures are the nuts and bolts of coding. Aim for great, not perfect. Perfection is a moving target. Master the basics. They're the foundation of every coding empire. Google and ChatGPT are your friends. Forums, docs, communities, a world of help at your fingertips. Set goals. Small steps lead to big leaps. Task management tools, your roadmap to coding success. Keep learning. Keep adapting. Today's knowledge is tomorrow's power. And that's it. 100 seconds and a whole lot of tips to supercharge your programming. Hit that like button if you're ready to code smarter. And don't forget to subscribe for more power-packed coding tips. Happy coding.